A mysterious explosion 1,000 times stronger than Hiroshima, but no impact, no crater was ever made. In 1908, a massive explosion rocked Siberia, flattening 800 square miles of forest. Trees were incinerated. Shock waves were felt across continents, but no impact crater was ever found. No meteorite, no debris, just devastation. Later, theories surfaced. Was it a mini black hole passing through the Earth? A crashed alien ship? One theory was that Nikola Tesla tested his death ray on an unsuspecting Siberian forest. But could that really explain the blast? Over a century later, science still has no definitive answer. The truth remains lost in the ashes of history. What do you think caused the Tunguska explosion? Share your theories in the comments below.